hotelstrategy.com, and on today's video we are over at Disney Saratoga Springs Resort, and I am checking out the one-bedroom villa for the very first time. And I have to admit, the rooms are really cool. There's a couple things that I'll show you throughout this video that I have never seen at a Disney property. So hopefully you guys stick along until the end of this video, and I'll show you a thing or two. So of course, one of the benefits of having any villa on Disney property is the kitchen, right? So these villas are really made for you to come and stay for an extended period of time. Not only that, but as you can see, you have a full kitchen. You can get as wild as you want. For all my Italians back in New York, you guys can cook Sunday dinner if your heart desires. So one of the other cool things that we do have is Disney pretty much gives you all of the utensils, all of the cooking stuff that you would need in order to kind of do your thing here in the one-bedroom villa. So this is where we're gonna start. Obviously, we have a full kitchen. Coming over here though, one of the cool things about the villas is that there's gonna be hidden beds essentially all over the place, right? So you're kind of multitasking here in Disney. So there's two beds in this room. There's one bed that's actually right there in the wall, and I will bring it out towards the end of the video, but I gotta make sure I get through the entire video first before I do that. And this one right here is a little hidden bed. So I will bring this one down, and as you can see, Disney doesn't sleep on the attention to detail, especially when it comes to the hidden bed. So in my opinion, this is the perfect bed for the young child in your family. Kind of allows them to have their own space. And again, once you're done, if you guys want to hang out in the living room for the day, you kind of just pop that up, and you're good to go. Over here, I'll take you outside. Well, I won't take you outside, but I'll give you a glimpse of the views here at Disney Saratoga Springs. So very upstate New York-y, right? The other cool thing about Saratoga for my adults visiting Walt Disney World is that it actually is within walking distance to Disney Springs. So in my opinion, that's one of the benefits of staying at Disney Saratoga Springs if you are going to be spending a lot of time over at Disney Springs. One of the other cool things, and I'm sure I'll probably do like a short video, is Disney has all this smart technology now within the room. So right now, as you can see, they have something about Amazon, but you're supposed to be able to talk to the Mickey ears, and essentially it's like Alexa on Disney steroids. Over here, of course, we do have a little kitchenette area. We have a kitchen table for you guys to eat once you cook those good meals. And then here's where things get really interesting in the one-bedroom villa. So I've never seen this before. Before I hop into that, we do have washer and dryer, again, for the extended stays, so you guys can do your laundry. There are two bathrooms here in the one-bedroom suite. And I actually think this is really important, especially for families who are traveling with young kids, because, as you know, having a bathtub is so very important, and a lot of times you have to make that decision. It's either one or the other, as I get myself in the mirror, just because I can't position this in a way not to. But as you can see, I mean, this is a full shower. It's not even like a half shower, just a full-blown shower. And then when you come right over here, we essentially have another full bathroom. And then here's the tub that I was talking about. So again, this is something I personally have never seen this before. And I am lucky enough at this point to stay at a lot of the one-bedroom villas. I just think that's a really cool little treat that we have. So coming into the master bedroom, they've all been refurbished very recently. And I would say too, the biggest difference that I'm seeing between the one bedroom compared to just a standard villa here in Saratoga Springs is the decor in the main bedroom, honestly, is nothing like over at the regular villas. So this is really well done. To be honest, I don't think I'd be upset if my room back at home was decorated like this. These are really cool vibes. But again, this is the one master bedroom. And then before I let you guys go, because we are coming over to 5 minutes, which is typically where we want to keep our room reviews, I'm going to show you, and I'm going to pull down the one bed that's actually hidden right behind this wall. All right, so a couple quick things. I've learned this the hard way after doing these room reviews. You got to move everything out of the way first, all right? Make sure you have and you give yourself plenty of space, because again, the bed is pretty much coming right here. But I am going to record this, and do this at the same time to show you at home just how easy this is. And just like that, like I said, you made a bed appear out of thin air. And again, going back to just the regular villas here at Disney Saratoga Springs, this is completely different artwork. It's completely different theming here in the one bedroom. So even if you stayed here before and you're trying to mix it up, or you're thinking about, hey, should we go with the one bedroom suite? The one bedroom suites here do hold up to 5 adults plus 1 child. So it could be a good option for those larger families. Overall though, that is the review, guys. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you stayed here. And I'm gonna go hop into the parks and have myself a day. Thank you guys again so much for checking out this video. And until next time, I will talk to you soon.